Welcome back and welcome to another macrame knots video. This one is part 2. If you haven't checked out part 1 and you are a beginner, definitely go check that one out. It has all of the most important knots to know and to learn as a beginner macrame artist. This one has 5 knots that I wanted to show you to add a little spice to your macrame pieces. So without further ado, let's start with the first one. It is the loop knot. It is extremely easy. You just take 4 cords, take the left 2 around and loop them around the right cords. And that's honestly it. Now the trick with the loop knot is that you don't want to just like let it hang there like that. You want to stack the cords on top of each other so you can see the full loop. And then you can just continue to add loops, as many as you like. These are so simple but very cute. And see, I'm showing you the other side too, so you can start from the right and loop around the left, and you can kind of alternate them. And I'll show you guys a piece that I made where I added some loop knots to it. I'll go ahead and insert that here. So here's the piece I made, and if you look at the top, you can see 2 rows of loop knots. And then also at the bottom, where those tassels are, I also tied some loop knots in there. The next knot is going to be a barrel knot, and it's very easy. You just use 1 cord per barrel knot. You loop the cord around itself like so in the front, and then you tie